Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to get into the new Yeti X. I wanted to upgrade the microphone, so I went with the latest one from Yeti, and this is the Yeti X. So we're going to crack this open and I'll show you how it sounds next to my current microphone that I use. So let's see if we can get this open here. Yeah, the Yeti X is the latest offering from Yeti, and why not buy the best, or what's considered the best? So we got another tab here, and here we go. So this microphone obviously is great for vlogging, streaming, or things that you're going to do for streaming services. Here's all the settings and everything that you have. You got your gain and your microphone, headphone level. You can blend, and then you've got your metering and everything there. So this is going to be a microphone that I had the other Yeti, but back when I got the Yeti, I just didn't feel like it was a good enough purchase at the time, and just wasn't worth the money at the time. But this one's a little bit cheaper, or more affordable. Oh wow, this is I gotta say right off the bat, this is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Yeah, so you got your power cable here, and that looks like that's it. Yeah, but this is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. So we can adjust it up right here. Wow. Yeah, this is huge. Wow. All right, yeah, so on this one you got a single button pattern. So let's tear this open here, and we'll get a better look at it. And then I'll also fire it up and let you see exactly what it's going to sound like. All right, let's switch this camera. All right, so here is the microphone. To my surprise, man, this one actually works with this old micro USB port. I was actually kind of surprised at that. I would think it would be Type-C. But it's got this old USB 2.0, I believe it is, micro USB 2.0, or whatever it is. It's the old version. Now, I think by now, Yeti, you would go ahead and do Type-C. Are you serious right now? That's just crazy. So you've got the single button pattern in the back now instead of all the different levels that you had before. This is the blackout, so it's going to be the all black series here. You can actually mount this thing any way you want to, and you can mount it, take it off of here and mount it on one of the stands. But now I'm going to do some testing with the microphone in this next part of the video. And here's a look at the bottom here. Do it this way. You can see here that old micro USB and then your headphone monitoring right there. So this goes in like this. That. All right, John. All right, John. All right, we'll run the cable through here and then I'll get it set up and I'll test it next to the current microphone so we can show you what an upgrade sounds like. Let's get into that next part of the video. Alright guys, so here's my current microphone. This is how it sounds. This microphone costs about $100 less than the Yeti. So I'm not saying this is a bad microphone in any kind of way. It's obviously fantastic for live streams, your voiceovers, whatever you want to do. But this is the quality that you get from this particular microphone. Pseudotac is the name of it. I did a special video on this one already. I'll try to remember to link that down below. But nonetheless, this is the quality that you're going to get. Now I'm going to shuffle these around here and I'm going to switch it over to the Yeti. And I'm just going to keep rolling here, not going to stop, so you can kind of see how it's going to sound when I actually switch it over. Now this microphone again is a very nice microphone. So let's switch to the Yeti. slide it over. Now the Yeti is a lot smaller, so you probably can't see it in view, but I'll pick it up right here. You can kind of see the gain, the levels moving right there. The Yeti feels a lot more premium. It's definitely heavier. It just feels more like a professional microphone, even though both of these can be used in that setting. Now, some advantages to the previous microphones, I can actually adjust that up and down. But the Yeti, there's really no adjustments unless I get an arm and bring it over that way. And I actually did have an arm, but it was just too much to deal with, so I just trashed it and just put it right back on the desk. And the Yeti just pretty much looks better and looks more professional. In my opinion, the Yeti sounds really good. Now, obviously, I'm watching this with you, or I've shot the video and then afterwards I'm listening to it, but I've actually already tested the Yeti. And in my opinion, it definitely sounds better than the other microphone, but it should, because it costs almost double the cost, pretty much. I believe the other microphone's between 60 and 80 or 60 and 100, and the Yeti is about, it's 179 or 169 for this new version. So there it is. Blue Yeti obviously makes some fantastic microphones. And I think that at this point in the game, if you're really trying to step your game up for vlogging, streaming, voiceovers, anything like that to do with your YouTube channel or just your promotion of your videos, or just whatever you're doing, the Yeti is a good one. It's a good one. So, I mean, it does cost $170. So you bear that in mind, what you're getting into. Now, I'm using this on a Mac with the cam link and a DSLR. So if I'm going to stream or record a video, or I'm just going to do a front-facing vlog, this is how ideally I should be doing it, because this microphone is way better than the microphone that I have, the external microphone for the camera. Like the Boya mic is just a $40 mic. And I think when you're in your office setting, I need to start using the Yeti when I'm recording in this setting for doing videos. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think about the quality of my new Yeti versus my older microphone that I've had for well over a year, I'm sure. Again, that microphone is really solid, but what do you think about the Yeti now? I'll see you in the next video. Take care.